Hello, I will try to show you step-by-step PostgreSQL high availability setup using Patroni, etcd, HAProxy for Debian, Ubuntu operating system. I will go step by step. If we check installation overview, I have three servers. Server 1, Postgres Patroni, Server 2, Postgres Patroni, and Server 3, etcd and HAProxy. I am running these servers on VirtualBox Manager. As you see, Patroni 1, Patroni 2, etcd, HAProxy. All of them virtual machines, and they are working on my laptop. Let's start. Firstly, I want to show you servers. Server 1, Server 2, and Server 3. Okay, let's start. Firstly, I will change host names. Server 1, okay. And server 2, okay. And server 3. We change host names. I want to reconnect. Yes, as you see, host names are changed. Let's reconnect. Patroni 1, Patroni 2, and etcd HAProxy. Okay, we are ready. I want to switch root. Yes. We change all host names. Then we will add these entries to etc host files. Okay, let's go. Okay. Next step, I will install Postgres 15 on server 1 and server 2. I am installing Postgres 15 because I will perform some upgrade tests. Because of that, I am install Postgres 15. There is important point in here. If we have antivirus program on your laptop, you have to disable it. If you don't disable, you cannot run apt-get update or apt install commands. Let's first try before disable, and let's see the error message. As you see, it doesn't work, so you have to disable antivirus program. Let's disable it. Then we will try again. Options, change settings, and uncheck, then OK. Now I disabled firewall. We will try again. Server 1, server 2, server 1, server 2, and sudo apt-get update will work successfully. If you don't disable, you cannot update. It is important. Last comment, we will install PostgreSQL 15. Yes, both of them completed. Let's go on. We will create symbolic links on server 1 and server 2. Let's go on. Then we will alter and create Postgres and replicated users on server 1 and server 2. Let's do it. I will switch Postgres user, then PSQL, alter Postgres, and create user replicator. Let's go on. Then we will stop and check PostgreSQL service on server 1 and server 2. Let's do it. I will switch to root. Stop PostgreSQL service. Then we can check. Yes, inactive and inactive. This step is completed. And now we will install Patroni. We will use Python on server 1 and server 2. This note is very important again. We will check antivirus program, firewall, it is disabled, and we can go on. I will run the commands one by one. Number 1 completed. Number 2. Number 2 completed. Number 3 is coming. Number 3 is completed. Number 4. Completed. And the last one, number 5. All of them completed. Let's go on. Then we will install etcd and HAProxy on server 3. This is server 3. First, I will update packets. Firewall should be disabled in the meantime. Completed. etcd server and HAProxy completed. Then we will configure etcd on server 3. Let's do it. Oops. Yes. I will restart etcd service. Then I will check status. It is active. There is no problem. Then we will create Patroni directories on server 1 and server 2. Let's do it. Yes. Now we will configure Patroni service on server 1. It is important. You should use your own IP address, ports, usernames, and passwords. It is important. Server 1 is okay. And now server 2. Oops, I did mistake. Sorry. I will try again. It is okay. Now we will create Patroni services on server 1 and server 2. Let's do it. Server 1 and server 2. I did mistake again. Sorry. Yes. Server 2. Server 2 is okay. And we will start and check clusters on server 1 and server 2. I will run the commands one by one. Server 1, server 2. Server 1, server 2. Number 3. Number 3 is okay. Number 4. Number 4, okay. And last one. Okay. Let's check Patroni service. Yes, active and active. There is no error. Let's go on. We will check Patroni clusters on server 1 and server 2. In the meantime, I will upload this document to my YouTube channel. Okay. You can follow easily the steps. Oops. Number 1 is okay. Server 2 is okay. We can see leader and replica servers. There is no problem. And we will configure HAProxy on server 3. In server 3, I will delete these records. And I will add needed entries. This step is okay. And we can start and check HAProxy service on server 3. Enable HAProxy and restart. Then we can check the status. Yes, it is active and running. There is no problem. And we can check config. Configuration file is valid. There is no problem. Now we can access to HAProxy from portal. Let's check it. As you see, there is no problem. It is working. We can perform DB connection test using HAProxy IP address. Let's do it. You should use your own IP addresses. It is important. Type your password. As you see, we can connect. There is no problem. And we can go on. Sorry, I'll switch to root. And happy end. We will check configuration. Server 1, server 2, and HAProxy. All of them running, up and running. I have added some useful comments you can use if you need. As I said, I will add this article address to YouTube channel. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.